Hey friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back for more Hip Kit Club inspiration. Joining you today for a card set made with the gorgeous Main and Embellishment Kits which you've seen on screen now. Here's my little card trio. Aren't these cards divine? So slimline and with a gorgeous little pocket on the front with a cute little pick-me-up inside. So pulling out to reveal a little card and sentiment, or a little tag and sentiment I should say. And yeah, really beautiful. So simple and easy to make, and just a really fun one for maximizing a bit of your papers, and even just those leftover embellishments that you might have from your May kits if your June ones have already arrived. But in my case, I've just got so much left over in my kits every month that I just want to use them as much as I can. So this is a good opportunity for that today. So simple card, it's 8 by 8 inches square from a pattern piece of paper, and then scored and folded at the 4-inch mark. So a nice slimline card. I've got a 5-inch tag that I've pre-cut, there we go, and then a little 3.5 by 4-inch rectangle from more of the pattern papers from that main kit. And I'm just going to machine stitch around that edge there. Careful not to stitch the top bit and not to stitch the card close, of course. So making sure we do open the fold. Line your card with some blank paper on the inside so you can write in it later, because of course a lot of the pattern papers are quite busy and highly detailed. But that's it, simple and easy. So you could see the tag fitted in lovely in that little pocket. And I'm just going to use lots of the gorgeous ephemera and stickers, and even some fussy cut pieces. This one is from that gorgeous, this paper, Big Mood from Pink Fresh Studio. Isn't it gorgeous? There were so many nice sentiments. I thought they'd be lovely for a set of cards. So I've got ephemera, I've got those die cuts, those fussy cut sentiments, and just a mix of Pink Fresh and those gorgeous birds are from Paige Evans' Wonders collection. So really simple. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So I'm just making sure everything fits. And then I love that banner sticker. Isn't that gorgeous? So much love. Just divine. So yeah, really simple. Just playing with the colours and embellishments and florals and pretty things. And just such a nice little gifty card to give, I think. Yeah, so yeah, nothing tricky today. It's just all about the fun. And of course, as I said, so many lovely little bits left over each month in my kits. In fact, I have so much stuff left over I can't even. So these cards are a great way to use up lots of those leftover embellishments and spare bits of papers and things. So a great way to use up your hip kits. And if you're like me, you can't wait for your next hip kit. So be sure to subscribe so that you firstly save some money, but secondly, so you never suffer fear of missing out again, because you don't want to miss out on your monthly kits. They are just stunning. And yeah, as I said, so giving. There's so much packed into every month. And this is my May kit and it's still going. I have so much stuff left over still yet. So I might even make a dash more of these cards, because they're really fun to make. As you saw, they're really easy to make, and they use up lots of those bits and pieces. So yeah, there we go. Just look, that's a chipboard sticker from Pink Fresh. The florals are from Pink Fresh. The bird is from the Wonders collection from Paige Evans. Just lots of pretty things that work well together. And of course, I just keep popping them back in the pockets to make sure they fit comfortably. I love these banner stickers. Aren't they stunning? Really pretty. So I'm going to use that one just to cover that little bit on the front there, just to get a bit more interest, and because it's still a card front, you don't want to lose the fact that you know everything's inside the tag and in the pocket. You still want the front of the card to be beautiful, so you can still open it, but then also have that little surprise tucked inside. I couldn't resist these gorgeous glittery hearts from the Garden Party collection. Aren't these sweet? And again, a nice embellishment for a card too. Like I find that they're a little bit chunky for me for layout, so they're perfect for decorating cards with. But I like these puffy hearts as well. So I got sort of caught on birds and florals and hearts for this set, but I think look, really gorgeous, really simple, really beautiful. So I've just got to line the inside of that one, and it's done and ready to go. So beautiful pocket tag cards today. Simple, easy. I hope you'll give them a try, because as I said, it's a really nice way to use up lots of your leftover hip kits. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a wonderful happy arty days. Thanks so much. Bye.